Welcome to this Tutor to You Sociology topic video on culture and identity. In this video we're going to look at the work of Antonio Gramsci on culture. Antonio Gramsci was an Italian Marxist theorist and politician, and he significantly contributed to the understanding of culture and socialization within the context of power dynamics in society. His ideas on cultural hegemony, the role of intellectuals and the process of socialization have profoundly influenced sociological and political thought. In this video we're going to explore some of Gramsci's key concepts, their implications and the criticism that Gramsci faced. Gramsci's concept of cultural hegemony is central to his theory. He argued that the ruling class maintained control not just through coercion, but through cultural dominance. Cultural hegemony refers to the ways in which the ruling class's worldview becomes the accepted cultural norm, shaping the values, beliefs and norms of society. This process allows the ruling class to assert and maintain its power without the need for overt force. According to Gramsci, hegemony is achieved when ruling class ideas are perceived as natural and inevitable by broader society, thereby securing consent to their dominance. Gramsci distinguished between civil society and political society. Civil society comprised institutions like the family, education and media, and this played a crucial role in maintaining hegemony by disseminating the dominant ideology. Political society, including the state and its mechanisms of enforcement, ensured the compliance of those who might resist. The interplay between these two spheres is vital for the perpetuation of ruling class dominance. Gramsci emphasized the importance of intellectuals in the process of cultural hegemony. He categorized intellectuals into two groups, traditional and organic. Traditional intellectuals, such as teachers and priests, see themselves as independent of the ruling class, but often perpetuate its ideology. Organic intellectuals, on the other hand, emerge from and represent the interests of the working class. Gramsci believed that for the working class to challenge the ruling class's hegemony, they needed their own organic intellectuals to develop and disseminate a counter-hegemonic culture. Education, according to Gramsci, is a key instrument of socialization that can either reinforce or challenge cultural hegemony. He critiqued the traditional education system for reproducing the existing class structure by instilling the ruling class's values in students. He proposed that education should be reformed to promote critical thinking and empower individuals to question and transform the dominant ideology. Gramsci also saw socialization as a broader process encompassing family, religion and media. These institutions contributed to the development of a common sense worldview that aligns with the interests of the ruling class. However, he also recognized the potential for these institutions to become sites of resistance where alternative ideas could be fostered. Gramsci's theories have been both influential and contested. One criticism is that his concept of hegemony is too deterministic, suggesting that individuals are overly controlled by the dominant ideology. Critics argue that his perspective underestimates human agency and the capacity for individuals to resist and transform their social conditions. Another criticism is that Gramsci's focus on culture and ideology may detract from the material aspects of class struggle. Some Marxists argue that by emphasizing cultural hegemony, Gramsci downplays the importance of economic factors and class relations in maintaining ruling class power. They contend that economic exploitation and class conflict should remain the primary focus of Marxist analysis. Some scholars also question the practicality of Gramsci's proposals for achieving counter-hegemony. While his ideas on the role of organic intellectuals and the need for education reform are compelling, implementing such changes in practice is challenging. The entrenched nature of the ruling class's control over cultural and educational institutions poses significant obstacles in realizing Gramsci's ideas. Despite these criticisms, Gramsci's ideas remain highly relevant. His theory of cultural hegemony has been instrumental in understanding how power operates beyond economic exploitation, extending into the realms of culture and ideology. This perspective has been applied to various contexts, including studies of media, education, and social movements. Gramsci's work has also influenced contemporary critical theories, including cultural studies and post-colonial theory. His emphasis on the role of intellectuals in shaping and challenging dominant ideologies continues to inspire academics and activists seeking to understand and transform social power structures. In conclusion, Gramsci's views on culture and socialization offer a critique of how power is maintained and challenged in society. His concepts of cultural hegemony, the role of intellectuals, and the socialization process highlight the intricate ways in which ideology operates to secure ruling class dominance. While his theories have faced criticisms, their enduring influence attests to their significance in the ongoing struggle to understand and transform social power relationships. That concludes this Tutors U Sociology topic video on culture and identity, looking at the work of Antonio Gramsci on culture. Thanks for watching.